Hello everyone, today we're unboxing the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition. One of the first things you'll notice is the plastic-free packaging experience. The box, the cushioning, the filler, and the bag inside are 100% plastic-free. The sustainable choices don't stop there though. The black 65-watt power adapter case is made of 90% post-consumer plastics. And the laptop itself uses 50% recycled aluminum in the bottom cover and 50% post-consumer plastics in the keycaps. This laptop is surprisingly thin and light. At only 0.55 inches thin and 3.37 pounds, this can easily slide into your bag for the day without weighing you down. The Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition offers a variety of ports. 2 USB-C ports, a USB-A port, and an HDMI 2.1 port, along with an audio combo jack. All right, but enough about the outside. Let's look at this display. This is a 15.3-inch PureSight Pro 2.8K LCD touch display with up to 500 nits of brightness and 120 Hz refresh rate. Right above the display, you'll find the FHD IR camera with Windows Hello and enjoy immersive sound with 4 speakers. As I mentioned earlier, this is a Copilot PC, and that is thanks to the powerful Intel Core Ultra 7 256V processor. This processor includes an NPU with 48 TOPS to help power AI tasks and some of your favorite Copilot PC experiences like live captions, Co-Creator in Paint, and the enhanced Windows Studio effects. Even with all the power under the hood, the Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition has incredible battery life. This laptop can support 22 hours of straight video playback at 150 nits with its 70 watt-hour battery. Plus, if you really need to charge up quickly, the Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition supports Rapid Charge Express, which gains you up to 3 hours of battery life in only a 15-minute charge. Do you want to learn more about the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Aura Edition or purchase one for yourself? Find all the details in the description below.